Have you ever downloaded a font and wondered how to actually install it on your computer? Whether you want to use a new font in Microsoft Word, PowerPoint, Photoshop, or any other program, installing fonts in Windows is actually very easy. In this video, I'll show you two simple ways to install fonts on Windows 11, and I'll also show you how to remove a font if you no longer need it. Let's get started. Method 1. Install a font by double-clicking. First, let's download or locate the font you want to install. For this example, I already have a font file downloaded to my computer. Font files usually have one of these file extensions: TTF, which stands for True Type Font, or OTF, which stands for Open Type Font. If the font you downloaded is inside a zip file, and if it's only one, you won't need to extract it first. Go inside the zip file, and to install it, simply double-click the font file. A preview window will open, showing you what the font looks like. At the top, you'll see an Install button. Click Install. Windows will now install the font. If your downloaded font has many variations and it is inside a zip file, you'll need to extract it first. I've already made a video on how to unzip files. Right-click the zip file and select Extract All. Choose where you want to extract the files and click Extract. Now open the extracted folder. You'll see your font files here. Choose all the fonts and press right mouse click on any of them. Then click Show More Options and press Install for all users. That's it. The fonts are now available on your computer. How to find your new font. Now let's see if the font was installed correctly. Open a program such as Microsoft Word, Excel, PowerPoint, or another. Create a new document and click the font selection box. Start typing the name of your newly installed font. Once you find it, select the font and start typing. As you can see, the new font is now available to use. Keep in mind that if a program was already open while you install the font, you may need to close and reopen the program before the new font appears. How to uninstall a font. If you install a font and later decide that you don't need it anymore, you can easily remove it. Go back to Settings, Personalization, Fonts, or simply search for fonts in the taskbar. Find the font you want to remove and click on it. You'll see information about the font, along with an Uninstall button. Click Uninstall and then Confirm. Windows will remove the font from your computer. Just be careful when removing fonts, because some fonts are used by Windows itself or by applications. Important tip: when downloading fonts from the internet, make sure you use a trustworthy source. Also, pay attention to the font's license. Some fonts are free for personal use but require a license for commercial projects. If you're going to use a font for business, advertising, YouTube videos, or other commercial work, always check the license first. And that's how easy it is to install fonts on Windows 11. Once installed, the font can be used in compatible applications such as Word, PowerPoint, Photoshop, and many others. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple Windows tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.